What is up guys, Moon here, aka and today I'm here for a new series on the channel. Today, we're gonna play Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. This game came out a while back. I bought it a while back, and I never really got around to playing it, but I don't know, I was just going through my Steam library yesterday and I saw it there, so I was like, hey, you know what? This seems like a pretty good episodic, not episodic I should say, what is it called? It's kind of cinematic, I guess. It looked like a really good, nice, story-based game. So yeah, and the gameplay is kind of weird, I heard. So I don't know. I was asking some friends about it too. After I was like, "Hey, should I play this on my channel?" I asked my friend Jonathan about it, and he was like, "Sure, go for it." So yeah. Anyway, let's okay, we need to play new game. Grave. Is there sadness going on here? Is that Naruto? Botoru? Boruto? Oh, we have him on flashback now. Okay. Oh. Some sadness going on here. So our mom died. And I assume that's her grave. Well, kind of has to be. But yeah, there she is. She's coming out of it, so. Oh, that's sweet.
Nai! Nai! Ta!
Is my name Rai? Oh, is our dad? Is our dad sickly? I think it's our dad. Or our uncle Rick. Okay. So what is this? Yeah, see, it looks super cinematic. So. Okay, big brother is spacebar, right control is little brother? Oh, okay, yeah, so the controls are weird. You control two of them. You control both the big... Oh, his arm's getting janky. You control both the big brother and the little brother. Neat. Those people look way too big for that town down there. Okay, so... Is the gameplay just going to be completely like this, I think? I don't know. So how does walk cycle work? Like, not walk cycle, but... What's the word for it? How do I walk? Like, who do I control when I walk? I'm going to assume it's the yellow-headed kid. The blonde-headed kid, because... That's the one that seemed like the story was setting up. He was the main protagonist in the story, so. All I know is this game's pretty gorgeous, though, so. Slow moving. Okay, so is our dad sick or like hurt or a little bit of in between? Okay. Did I pull this thing? Okay, so I am controlling the little kid, so that's good. Am I gonna... Oh, I am okay. how do I control a little is it oh, it's ASW. Okay, cool. Okay, I understand. So something tells me the big brother, can pull this down. Yeah, okay. I see. Neat. Okay. Oh, this is so confusing. This is gonna get mighty confusing throughout this Let's Play. Was the kid in front pulling the whole thing by himself? Okay, this is like puzzle elements to this game. I see this. And if you guys are seasoned veterans to my channel, you will know that I am not... Did I climb this? What do I do? I go down here. What is this? Oh, okay. Does the big brother do everything? Oh, okay. Neat. Okay, I see. Oh, this is gonna get so confusing in the days to come. Or days to come. Okay. So what? Now what? What allows me to do the thing? Okay. I'm holding it now. So I don't understand. Now can I do it? Oh wait, no. I see. Okay. Do I need to get both brothers up there? No. Sir, I want you both. Wait. Okay, this thing right here. This right here. Yeah, okay, I see. That was confusing, kind of. Like I said, I'm not the best at puzzle games, guys, but this seems pretty alright right now. Okay, now control. Okay. Why is this so odd? Like, why is this city built this way? Why is this city not built on rock and roll? Okay. Nice. Ooh, cutscene. Cinematic. What is that a... Oh, okay, I thought he was wearing a hat. He must be like the doctor. Okay. Must be the doctor. Sorry if you guys can hear people in the other room. It's my cousin and my mother. They're talking right now. So, sorry about that. The doctor. Are we getting told to go get medicine for him? I feel like that was the underlying plot of the game, like from the beginning, was that we need to get medicine for our dad or he's gonna kill over, so. Okay, that's a map. Neat. Oh, what? Okay, we just left here, so now what do we do? What do we do here? Hopefully, that guy didn't say anything important. Because I'm pretty sure he just speaks in some weird language. So hopefully he didn't say anything important because I can't hear him. Because, what is this? This is another, those look like two different exits, but I can't hear him. So hopefully he didn't say anything important. Like, as I said, because the volume is down on my, like, I don't have my headphones in right now, so the volume is down on my, oh, sliding slipperies. Oh, it's so hard. I keep forgetting which set of directional, oh, there we go. Which directional thing? Oh, is he scared of the water? Oh, yeah, because his flashback with his mom. Okay, he can't swim. That's what he's saying. And he couldn't get his mom. He couldn't save his mom, so he's trying to teach him how to swim. Dude, he's just scared of the water. Don't try to make him get in the water, man. He's just scared of it. Where are we supposed to go? Under here? Okay, I think we're supposed to bypass the kid on the bridge. So I guess that's what we're doing. We're going under here. Watch out for them crocodilias, okay? Right here. Here's where we are. Okay. And then control. Oh. What's this kid doing? Oh, he closed that. Okay. But I see a rock face here we can climb, so we're gonna do that. I don't understand. Oh, okay. There we go. So now this kid is gonna do his. This guy's okay. He was way better. Maybe I was just bad. Okay, did I jump automatically? Because I clicked the button to make them jump, so. Okay. Okay, I'm kind of getting the hang of this. I'm kind of getting the hang of the double controls. Controlling two kids. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. I was like, is he gonna die? He slid. Camera, hold, rotate the camera. Left shit, okay. Jump. What am I doing here? Who are you, guy? Who are you, guy? Roasty toasty man. Okay. What am I looking? What am I looking to do here? What am I trying to do? I don't understand. Oh, sit? Was that what I was meant to do? I don't know. Huh. Let's look around. Oh wait, can I get through here? No. Okay, yeah, I see now. Okay. This game is pretty. I should just say that. Okay, we go through here. Oh, and then okay. Neat. Control. See, I'm having trouble with these. I'm having trouble with these simple puzzles. So I can imagine how it's gonna be in the future when I hit even like oh, that's pretty, that waterfall. When I hit even more difficult puzzles, because I'm not gonna enjoy that very much. Okay. Why am I having such trouble getting through what I assume is my hometown? Like, do people just hate me? Is it because I let my mom die? Ooh. This little dick, why is he being such an asshole? Let's look around here. Get down here. Can we get up on top of the roof here? Can we climb this thing? What do we got here that we can do? I don't see anything we can do. Unless we can... I don't know. Oh, okay. He can slip through the bars. Neat. Okay. That dog is freaking huge. Oh, neat. This dog will chase him off. Are the dogs here just freaking... That's a tiny dog. Are the dogs here just vicious or something? Bloodthirsty? Bound for war? I don't know. Oh, okay, never mind. I was like, I don't know how the blue kid got out of there, but I guess he just got out from... Whoa. I don't know what that was about. Okay, I think it was because it was saving or something. Okay. Let's go up here. I about have to end the episode, so. Oh, it's a tiny puppy. That's a cat. That's a cat. Okay. It's not a puppy. Where do we go now? Up here? And then we lower the bridge, maybe? No. Why is everyone sleeping in this town? Is the thing to lower the bridge down here? Oh wait, is this the waterfall we saw earlier? Maybe. Let's take a look around. Take a look around. What's going on here? I don't see anything we can possibly move. Unless it's like, wait, no. Unless it's like around this way. No, I don't see anything. Let's go back down this direction. See if we can find anything over here. Wait, can we get over this thing? Oh, no. Can we go this one with the big guy? Okay. Let's look down here for a bit. See if there's anything down here we can do. Oh, wait. I don't see anything really that we can... I don't know how that kid got in there, but whatever. I don't see anything really we can do from this point. I don't know. About to have to end the episode though, so maybe we'll figure it out next episode. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Brothers Tale of Two Sons. It seems pretty cool so far. I'm sorry if I'm seeming detached. I'm just trying to absorb the surroundings as much as I can and try to get enveloped in the game as best I can. The story is kind of hard to read. I assume we're looking for a cure for our dad's ailment, and there's an underlying story about how our mom passed away and our little brother let him die or something like that. I don't know. But we'll figure it out, and we'll figure out what to do from this point on in the next episode. So, see ya. Love ya. Bye. Mwah. Bye-bye, guys.